Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Can I use your brain today? A question, and I need your opinion. To you, what does it feel like to be in love? Love has different meaning for different people. Love to someone else can be caring. Like everybody have their love language. When you spend so much money on someone, they read it as love. It can be their love language. They believe that, okay, this is what you can do for me to know you love me. Some people feel like it's when you're kind to them, but naturally there are some people that are just nice to everybody. So some people, when you're nice to them, they feel you love them. It depends. A lot of people have different ways of interpreting what love is like. I want to know, what does it feel like to be in love according to you and your own mentality? Because I might create a full content later explaining my own mentality, but in this channel I'm all about getting your ideas and then adding my own ideas to it and then creating something wonderful out of it. So I would like to know what you think love is. What do you think about love? What do you think someone should do for you to believe that they love you? There's some people that even show love in a cruel manner. Some people prefer love to be when you beat them, you come back and pamper them and buy gifts for them. They believe that that is your way of loving. To you, what is love? But generally, there should be something called love. So that's what we are going to be discussing today. What does it feel like to be in love, or what does it feel like to be loved? Now leave your opinion down there in the comment section. This is too short, but I don't give a fuck. Okay, I am waiting for your comments. Bye.